Welcome friends. In this video I am going to explain what is all about water cycle school project, and I was getting lot of comments to give an explanation about water cycle. I am making this video on the explanation of water cycle. If you are coming first time, do subscribe, do like this video, and I'm going to explain complete water life cycle, and all the information is available at howtofunda.com, which you can come anytime for the references. And here we are covering all the school models from preschool to primary school, secondary school and preschool, all the things about science projects. Use this as a bookmark for your future references. Let's not wait and move on. Water cycle model. Let's talk about what is water cycle. Very basic concept, water cycle, and very much requires to understood by our students. Major part of our earth is covered by water in the form of ocean. The water does not stay just like, but goes through the cycle of movement in and on above the earth. It changes the form from liquid vapor to ice, and again to water. This is a continuous cycle. If you can see here, right, the complete water is there in the ocean, and when sun energy uses, this water get evaporates, and it goes as a vapors. It forms the cloud. The cloud becomes dark, and will have rains will happen. Again the water will come back to the earth. It can come through the mountains. If we can see here, we can see a lot of series of mountains are there, and water is also flowing from the mountains. This is the whole life cycle is depicting the water life cycle. So let's understand theoretically how this whole water cycle works. The process starts from sun producing the heat to evaporate the ocean's water into the air, and the air current move this vapor into the atmosphere. These will get condensed into the clouds at the cooler temperature. Next, the process where clouds collide in the sky and fall out of the sky as a precipitation. Later, precipitation falls off into the ocean, rivers, ground as a rain, and this cycle repeats continuously in a natural way. And we have a video as well to showcase how to make this model using waste materials available at home like color paper, cardboard, threads to showcase the vapor items or rainfall, and mulberry chart paper to showcase the water, because that mulberry paper will have that structure. It look like water. And you also need glue gun or sticks, and need a fevicol, need a scissor. There are some of the questions being asked when you are going to present this water cycle model in the school exhibitions. We could able to list some of these questions for you, and we are also trying to answer these questions for you. First of all, understand what is water cycle. So we just explain the overall process. We should explain where it starts from evaporation, then condensation, precipitation, infiltration, and surface runoff. This is the whole phases of water cycle. How many steps in the water cycle? The higher level you can say 4 steps, but if still further drill down, it can go to 7 or 8 steps as well. But keep the thing in mind and keep very high level phases in the water life cycle. So let's move on to the conclusion. Every student, every kid should understand the overall part of the water life cycle, and this is a very basic knowledge, and by doing this model the students will get to know the complete nitty-gritty of the water life cycle. Hope you like this video. Like the video. If you would like to get more videos of mine in near future, do subscribe and click on the bell notification, and you will be getting my next videos to your inbox. To share with your friends, do will catch you up in your next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.